Never mind the circling vultures, but we're here at the Hickory Grove Cemetery outside of Avery, Iowa. And let's check the bike quick. Yep, bike's all fine. So, it's not locked or anything, but it's actually a hitching post for horses over there. Back in this corner, there's kind of a unusual feature. You'll be able to see it here in just a second, but there you go. Pyramids. So a thought occurs to me after I'm in here and I've been back there to see those pyramids. Yeah, I can't see inside it very well. Phone won't focus. Man, I wish I had like a camera on a stick. Like this one. Careful with the lens. Hopefully that worked. I doubt I'm gonna drive this far to come back here and try something else. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.